Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get free gems in the Archero 2 using working promo codes in 2025. So let's get straight into the video. Go over to zestcoupons.com, and as you can see, it says Archero 2 free gems. So just press get code and then show coupon code and just wait for it to load. Now bear in mind, they are going to ask your email address because obviously they're sending the promo code to your email. So just go ahead and press show full code, and now is usually where they ask for it. But I already put in my email address, so I don't think I'll have to enter it. But you can see it says activating reward. So let's just wait for this to load. Reward activated. All right, guys. So now we just need to fill out all our info, which I already did, and just go ahead and press continue. And basically what will happen is it will make you do a survey usually, and then just press I agree and continue, and you should be done. Now you might have to do a deal at the end. So let me just show you guys the deal thing. So these are the deals, guys. So make sure you go ahead and do that if needed. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Everybody subscribe. This is super cool. As you can see in the Archero 2, I am rich as can be, guys. So try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is so awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, try it out for yourself because this is so crazy. Personally, I think that Archero 2 is just way too expensive. So let me just show you guys on the App Store. I'm just going to type it in. And of course, I couldn't type it in because I can't spell. But let me just pull it up. And as you can see, when we go to the in-app purchases, you can see it is super expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try us out. You can get working promo codes. And as you can see there, that is insane. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. If this video works, you guys, be sure to go and share. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome. And it works on 2025 devices. So peace out.